In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate QR codes on Canva. Let's get started right inside Canva. First, open the design where you want to place your QR code. This can be anything you're working on, like a flyer, a business card, a poster, or even a social media graphic. Make sure you're in the main editor view, where you can see your canvas in the middle and the toolbar on the left side of the screen. On that left sidebar, look for the section labeled Apps. Click on it to open Canva's app library. This is where Canva keeps extra tools and integrations, including the QR code generator we'll be using. Once the apps panel is open, move to the search bar at the top of that panel. Type in QR code and then press Enter on your keyboard. Canva will show you search results related to QR tools. From the results, click on the option simply called QR code. This tells Canva you want to use the built-in QR code generator. After you click it, the left panel will refresh and you'll see a simple form. At the top, there will be a field labeled for a URL. This is where you paste the web address that you want people to visit when they scan your QR code. It could be your website, a specific product page, a sign-up form, or any other link you want to share. Take a moment to double check that the URL is correct, because your QR code will point exactly to whatever you enter here. Below that, you'll see an option called Customize. Click on Customize to expand more settings. Here you can change the background color and the foreground color of your QR code. To do this, click on the small color swatch next to each option and a color picker will appear. You can choose from your brand colors, recent colors, or create a new one. This is a great way to match the QR code to the overall look of your design. Just be sure to keep enough contrast between the foreground and background so the code stays easy to scan. You'll also see a margin setting. Adjusting the margin changes how much blank space appears around your QR code. Increasing it can make the code stand out more, especially if your design is busy or colorful. When you're happy with your URL and customization settings, click the Generate Code button. Canva will take a moment to create your QR code. Once it's done, you'll see the QR code automatically appear on your design canvas. From here, you can resize it, move it around, and position it exactly where you need it on your layout.